How to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to put your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PS5. So without further ado, let's begin. On a PC or laptop, you need to go to fortnite.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then make sure that you log into your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create account following on your screen prompts. If you already have, click sign in and enter all your login credentials. Now click on profile icon at top right corner of your screen. Then choose account option. Now from this left menu, you need to scroll down and look for apps and account and click to open it. Now you will land on this section where under PlayStation Network or you can easily click on the connect button. Then you simply need to log into your PlayStation Network account to complete the link. And if PlayStation Network servers are down, you can try again later. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.